In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your ICAN payment for exam in a very quick and easy way. So the first thing is to get the ICAN advert for the particular diet that you are going to write. So once you get the advert, around this third page, the second page, you'll find directive for online registration. So these are various ways that you can make payments for the ICAN exams and subscription fee. So these are several ways to make the payment. So this may be at most confusing to most people, but I'm going to illustrate how to make the payment in a very easy and rather safe way. So in the adverts, you are going to see the prices for the various courses, and these prices tend to change, so it depends on when you are watching the video. The price may be different. So these are the various prices for the papers that are being written in foundation, skills, and professional. It depends on how many you are writing, then you pick the amount. The number of papers you are writing determines the amount of money you are going to pay. So the first thing you have to do is to create an account with this payment platform called QuickTeller. QuickTeller is an online payment platform that ICAN uses to collect payment for their ICAN exams and also subscription fee. So advice, if you don't have an account with QuickTeller, you can open an account with them. It just requires your email, your phone number, your name, and that's basically it. And they create a free account for you. So you open an account with QuickTeller. Once you log into your home page, it shows something like this. Once you have created your account, so just head over to pay bills. Once you click on pay bill, it gives you an option to search. So just type in ICAN and it will load and bring up ICAN. So you select ICAN from the menu. The major reason why we use QuickTeller is in order to avoid network issues and some issues that may arise as a result of online payment. As a result of online payment, there are some issues that may arise. For example, your transaction may fail and some things may go wrong. So once you have a QuickTeller account, you are able to get your reference number, and in case of any transaction dispute, they are going to be able to resolve it for you. So under ICAN, it asks for student membership number, so you input your student membership number. So it brings a drop down of a lot of options that you can pay for. So remember, you already have the price list of what you want to pay for. So you just have to check for the corresponding item under that list, and it will display it for you. So if you are paying for exams, just look for professional exams. These are professional exemption. We are not going for exemptions, we're going for professional exam. So we just scroll down to where we can see professional. Okay, these are professional examination. Right now I want to register for one paper under skills. So I'm looking for the amount of 37,490. So I search for professional exams that holds that amount. 37,490. So this basically it. The reason why the price is a little bit different here is because QuickTeller adds a fee of 300 naira on every payment that is being made. So this payment is supposed to be 37,490. Once they add their charges of 300 naira, that will equate to 37,790. So you can be very certain that this is the amount, 37,790, for one paper in skills level. So once I'm sure this is my student number, the right amount, I click on continue, and it brings out various payment methods that you can use. You can use eCash, you can pay with your card, or you can use QR code, or you can also make transfer. I'm going to go with this option, which is the transfer. I'm going to go transfer. It's loading. It has automatically added 100 naira, which is the charges that they are going to deduct. So altogether I am to send 37,890 to this account, and I'm being given 30 minutes to make the payment. So I transferred this amount to this account under 30 minutes, and once I make the payment, I click on transfer made. So I will go ahead and make the payment right now. Okay, I've actually made the payment using my mobile phone. So I can go ahead and click I have made the transfer. So they will confirm the transfer, confirm the receipt. Transfer has been confirmed, and you can see the transaction was successful. The amount, the subcharge, it was payment for ICAN, the rest. So I can go ahead and see the receipt. So once that has been successful, I go back to my dashboard. Let's go back to the dashboard. Right, so I go to my transaction history. This is the transaction I made. I click on more. What I need says transaction successful. What I need is this payment reference. So I go ahead and copy this payment reference. Copy. Then you go to this link, the link that is shown on the screen right now. I'll also drop it in the video description. Once you click on the link, it takes you to this site. This is the site where so I paste my transaction reference and I submit. Once you do that, it generates this code for you. So it shows the PIN, the serial number, and the voucher amount, which was the amount that I paid. So this PIN and serial number, that's what you're going to use to register for the exams. So once you get this, you can open another tab and go to your ICAN portal. I have mine already opened here. This is the ICAN portal. You log in with your credentials and you head over here to registration for examination. It requires PIN, serial number, then registration number. I just go back to the site, I copy the PIN, copy, paste it, I copy the serial number, and paste it, then my registration number, and I submit. Now it brings me to this page. The PIN, the serial number, it confirms the amount that I paid, which was 37,490. My registration number. So pick my gender, exam level, which is skills. Now my examination center, it depends on where in the country that you are, wherever is convenient for you. You can go through all this list. You have exam centers in almost the 36 states of Nigeria, so you can pick a center wherever is convenient for you. So I'm just gonna pick where I will be able to write the exam. Once you pick the center that you want to write the exam, then it asks for the tuition center that you attended. This is not necessarily compulsory, but you can go ahead and search for if at all you attended a tuition center to register for this exam, you can go ahead and select them. It's not that big of a deal. But I can pick whatever tuition center I want. So depending on the level that you are, to show the examination papers that you have to write. But currently in skills I just have only one paper to write. That's why it shows only this paper. If I have multiple papers, I will have the option to select different ones, but it depends on the amount that I paid, because I paid for only one paper in skills level. That's why I have skills as the exam level and the paper that I registered for. This was my last ICAN number, year of last ICAN examination. I'll go ahead. Just alright, once you go ahead and fill all those details, your contact address, you fill everything, you can click on submit. And this, okay, once you get this form, it means you have successfully registered for the exams. This is just a proof that you have registered for the exams. It shows all the necessary details, the paper that you have to write. And another important thing is that this is not what you're going to take to the exam hall. You're going to go with your docket, examination docket, which will be available for download 3 days before your papers. So once it's available, you go on to the site and you download your docket, which will have the timetable for the exams and the date. So you take it to your center and write the exams. That's just basically it, how to pay for the exams and how to register completely online. You don't need to go to bank to do this. Well, thank you very much.